Yo guys, what's going on? It's Narain here, back with another video. I'm currently in Cadiz, Spain. I'm on a 9-day transatlantic cruise from Cadiz, Spain to Freeport, Bahamas. There's a repositioning going on of Mariner of the Seas, and so I will be on the transatlantic portion, and I'm looking forward to it. It should be fun. So it's about 10:30 right now, and there is so much light outside, so I'm just trying to enjoy the beautiful weather. As you guys can tell behind me, the ship is super empty, and the reason is because this is a non-revenue cruise, meaning it's not open to the public, it's only for royal vendors. The sea is over here. It is so calm outside. Man. All right, so we're playing some mini golf right now. It's not even technically open because there are no guests on board, but we're the first people playing on Mariner of the Seas. I'm on the newly renovated sports deck here on the Mariner of the Seas. As you can see behind me, we have the new Flowrider ride as well as the new water slides that were just installed in Cadiz, Spain. There was a $100 million renovation that just went into this ship, and you can see where the money went right behind me. So they just opened up Flowrider and a couple of the water slides today, so I'm gonna go check those out. These are new additions, so I'm super excited to try these rides out. And yeah, let's go see how fun they are.
Yeah, you bet.
Are you insane like me? Been in pain like me? Bought $100 bottle of champagne like me? Just pour that motherfucker.
Man, so sick. Let's do it. Alrighty, I am standing at the Skypad, which is another new addition to the Mariner of the Seas. Here we have 4 trampolines, and you can jump, and you have a VR headset, and you're playing a game, and it's pretty cool. I tried it out. Lasertag.
Robots are about to take control of the planet sea. 30 seconds remaining.
So this is my room here on the ship. You first walk in, you got the bathroom right here. You got a little lounge area, bed, and a balcony. This is what an internal cabin looks like. So no windows, but decent size. You got 2 beds, some artwork, a vanity light. Here's the bathroom. I'm at the back of the ship right now, and honestly, the camera doesn't do this justice. It looks so cool. These are new kiosks that guests can walk up to. And you can swipe between days, and you can choose your shore excursion. You can click reserve now, reserve, come here. And when you print the tickets, boom. Alright guys, so I'm walking through the Royal Promenade right now. This is like the main strip of shops, restaurants. I'm sitting here in the brand new bamboo room here on the Mariner of the Seas. This is a great bar where you can pick up drinks and little snacks. It's a cool vibe. We have a lot of different stores here. This is a cool place to kind of walk through. Here's a newly renovated 3D map of the ship. So during this transatlantic journey, we've basically been eating at Windjammer, which is the general dining, the main dining. Gym on the Mariner of the Seas. As you can see behind me, a lot of cardio equipment, plenty of equipment to work with. We also got dumbbells over here that go up to like 80 pounds. You got a nice view, panoramic view at the forward, at the front of the ship. So yeah, this is it. So I'm here on the 3rd floor, which is home to the newly installed Starbucks. For all you coffee lovers, we have Boleros bar here, and we have the casino here. As you guys can see, deck 11 is full of stuff right now. This is just completely full of contractor garbage as part of the dry dock. You know, so a lot of these vendors were finishing up carpet installments. They were finishing up some of the venues that were not completed during the dry dock period. So of course all their trash is scattered, and I think once we get to the Bahamas, all their trash will be unloaded. That's kind of what deck 11 has been used for. I was kind of hoping they would open some of the hot tubs and some of the pools up, but they have not done that. And as you guys can tell, there's still wet paint everywhere, still stuff scattered. I had the opportunity to go on this transatlantic cruise, and so I took it, and it's been one of the best decisions that I've ever made. You know, being out at sea has been such a crazy experience for me. The nights have just been unbelievable, complete darkness that I've never experienced before. Stars are so bright, and I've never seen so many stars because, you know, I grew up on the East Coast. So being out in the middle of the Atlantic with minimal light pollution has been crazy. All right guys, it is day 7 here on the transatlantic cruise. We are still in the middle of the Atlantic, getting closer and closer to the Bahamas. It is super sunny today. It was kind of stormy earlier during the day. Now it's kind of gotten a little bit better, gotten a little bit more clear. And so yeah, we have 3 more days until we reach the Bahamas. It's Sunday and we get in on Wednesday in the morning. This is the ship. Right here. Alrighty guys, it is the last day of the transatlantic sailing. We are out here almost about to reach the Bahamas. It's been a good 8-day trip. Can't believe it's over. You go to bed, you're at sea. You wake up, you're at sea. It's the same thing. I'm kind of excited to see land, and I did not need to take any medicine for seasickness at all through the whole voyage, so I'm thankful for that. Haven't seen land for a while, and I'm looking forward to getting back home. Alright guys, after 9 days at sea, we finally reached Freeport, Bahamas. I'm going to be disembarking here and flying to Miami. It's been a great 9 days. I've had a lot of fun out here, and it's been a great experience. Thank you, Royal Caribbean, and we'll catch you later.